Welcome to my channel. My name is Norma with Mommy's Designs. In this channel, you're going to be learning how to make different DIYs that you can not only use them for your family and your friends, but you can also sell them. Let's not wait any longer and let's get to work. In this video, we're going to be working with the oven dish that I want to give the housewarming party. And I wanted to do the etching here, but I decided that I want to put it on the outside so they can read it through here. So I'm going to be doing etching. And of course, I'm still working on the IKONART stencils. There are two ways to get stencils. One is by buying the IKONART stencil kit. And the other one is by going to my eBay. I'm going to put a link to where I have these and other items for sale. I can personalize almost anything, and but I'm going to have this one for sale. This is a 5x5, and I can do up to 8.5 by 11 at this point. Looking forward to being able to make 11 by 17. For now, we're going to be using our stencil. Oh, and by the way, with ikonart.com, you go there, you order your stuff, and when you're checking out, enter code MOMMIES15. Here it is, and you will get 15% off your total order. So for this, you're gonna need any plate that you may wanna etch. This has a Bible verse that says, "I am the bread of life. Whoever comes to me will never go hungry, and whoever believes in me will never be thirsty." Amen to that. And it's John 6:35, and I think it goes well. Dish that you can cook something and put it in the oven. So you're gonna need your dish or plate that you want to etch, and then you're gonna need your stencil. This is from IKONART again, and you're gonna need etch-all cream, and you're gonna need. I got this at the Dollar Tree. It's like a silicone. This is the part where it gets the image or the letters getting printed on this side. If you print one from Quick Cut, these areas are going to be open where the letter is. This one is different. If you look close at it, it has a screen in the middle. That's why it can be called silk screen or screen printing. Okay, so what I did for this one, because I want them to be able to read it like this, so I made my stencil. You can call it flip, reverse, or mirror. So this verse is been mirror, okay? And I did it with my Quick Cut. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure that my plate is very clean, and I'm gonna go ahead and place my stencil where I want it. So there it is. And this one, the stencil is sticky. So I want to do this. And there it is. Make sure that it's completely down. There's no air bubbles or anything. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and put my cream. There we go. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to be pressing firmly on the stencil to bring the etching cream down into the stencil. And I got to be careful here because I have very little leverage as I cut my stencil way too short. I was supposed to leave more margin and I didn't. So I gotta be careful here when I apply the etching cream. Because this etching cream, as soon as it touches the glass, it's gonna start etching. Okay, and just to be sure, etch all asks that you leave it for 15 minutes. Okay, so here we go. Okay, and just to be sure, I'm gonna go ahead and go over it one more time. And I'm gonna put the residue back in the jar because we can reuse it. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and wipe it out. I have other videos that you can check where I show you exactly how a stencil is done and how to do the different stencils. I have about 6 or 7 videos before this one that you may want to go check out. So here you go. So we're going to leave it 15 minutes. So let's go ahead and let it process and I will see you back. Okay, here we are. It's been 15 minutes. So now we're going to go ahead and clean it up. And the one thing you can see is that the stencil is still intact and you can reuse it as many times. So there it is. So now we're going to go ahead and pull out the stencil. Like, my goodness, I am so happy. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead, since I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and rinse it from this side and I'm going to go ahead and let it dry. Okay. So here it is. You can see see right there. There it is. It's hard to see it on the screen, but there it is. So now when you turn it this way, you can clearly read it. I mean, I can clearly, I am the bread of life. It's really nice. You can read it really nicely. Okay, you guys, so I hope you like the video. Make sure that you stay tuned to my other videos. I'm going to be doing the next video. I'm going to be doing color etching on this same one. We're going to go ahead and color it. And so you can see how nicely it looks. But for now, you guys, thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.